The first ever mosque being built right here in South Lakes.
Indeed, and if you didn't know already, the site is being built in Britain, and as you can see, proudly are the British flags, the Union Jacks. But are they the right way up?
Well, I hope they're the right way up. Unlike some people, unfortunately, they might have been upside down, particularly on some football shirts, need I say more.
Yes, anyway, the football has been kicking off very well, but so has this construction. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, maybe you can feel, it's very peaceful here, very peaceful. You can hear the cars, you can hear the birds, you can even see the sheep from all the way up there. But unfortunately, there have been some disruptions over the last couple of months about this site, hasn't it, Christopher?
Yes, a bit of riffraff, a couple of protests here or there, approximately 4 or 5, but nevertheless, the importance of the mosque must continue. The work must continue. And you say why? I hear you say why.
Well, why?
Because it's a point of unity. It's a center where everybody can come together in understanding, Muslims and non-Muslims alike, whether you're brown, yellow, white, blue, pink,
orange, or with bad hairlines.
I don't know, probably bad belly lines, but that's a story for another matter. So, this mosque really does need some help, doesn't it?
It does. And as you can see, in fact, the first time we were ever here, thanks to you guys, it was just flat, just soil. But now, look what's happened! It's emerged from the ground, and look how tall and mighty it is. The thing is, ladies and gentlemen, we need to raise £250,000 to make all this watertight. And we know what it's like in England, we need those brollies.
Well, I've always got a brolly.
Actually, I don't. Remember, I got sick once because I didn't bring a brolly.
Yes, imagine, ladies and gentlemen, praying in this mosque behind you, or sitting down having a cup of tea and a little bourbon, and the rain comes on your head. You wouldn't want that, would you? So we need to make this structure watertight, like Ben said. £250,000, and the race is on. The race is on in order to get this complete by Ramadan. Now, we don't want this structure to remain like this when the holy season comes, do we? No, we want to be all collectively together. Like I said, regardless of race, even regardless of religion. Even non-Muslims are allowed to come in and sit down and enjoy the place, particularly during that special month. So the race is on for Ramadan to get this place watertight, to get this place ready, to get this place spick and span. Isn't that right, Ben?
Yes, indeed. So we have until the end of September to actually get it watertight. And then after that, it's the race for Ramadan. Imagine when we first started this project, it was nothing. And now it's been built from the ground up, and it's thanks to you guys. So be a part of something special.
Yes, something special that is a British mosque in the heart of the north of Britain. Really envisioning what modern, contemporary British Islam is about. Showcasing not only to Britain, but the world, what true Islam is about diversity, about a multitude of different flavors and colors. This is really the importance that we're trying to showcase here. So don't be afraid, and do donate today, only for the sake of God, by clicking the link somewhere around this video in the description.
Yes, and follow that classic British tradition of building mosques. I'll be part of Islamic history.
And like Ben said already, thank you ever so much for your generous donations. Now the important part, to go and have a look what they've been getting up to.